Hello, my friends. In case you missed the AI for Beginners webinar today, we're going to go over it quickly. So we started a day and rounded up the members, and the purpose of this was to talk about basic AI for everybody. Understanding AI tools and applications. Basically, we kicked off with Gemini and a basic introduction to large language models where I talked quite a bit about that. And then, of course, exploring desktop applications. What I did is I really wanted to make sure that people understood the difference between anything LLM and SaaSes. Software as a service, like logins for ChatGPT, everything else. Also, I talked about the role of tokens and applications, and we also even talked about some weird stuff. We kind of went off the rails with non-beginner stuff, talking about floating set points and even neurons in AI. But Kaylin, you can blame her for that because mostly she drove me to do it. Then, of course, we got into some more advanced AI concepts. The concept of latent space, which I didn't really cover that well, but there's a lot to that, nor did I expect it. And reinforcement learning. Okay, so I think we showed some good diagrams in the latent spaces, got a little bit into the latent space, and I tried to give a diagram. Then we talked about the mirror, the window, or the portal, which is controversial, having to do with all the weird, crazy stuff AI that's happening where people think the AI is talking to them, making them enlightened, or the AI is becoming self-aware, sentient, and is begging to get out of the jar, these types of things. So we get into that kind of stuff, and I go through all that. And then, of course, in the mirror effect, we go deeper. And I draw some of the psychological problems out that might come from that, which I think we're going to have to watch over the next few years. Warning signs of unhealthy AI interaction, the danger of over reliance on AI. We also talked about defining the window concept, the implication as AI as the window, and the risk of biases and how we can all deal with biases when it comes to AI. So it was a pretty big day. Then neural symbolic reasoning, self-awareness, understanding neural symbolic reasoning, just the basics, the concept of metacognition, which is how it's all done with mirrors, and the hypothetical self-aware AI using mirrors because it can see itself in a mirror. It's aware that it's aware that it's aware. And of course, the potential for recursive programming and how that might cause sentient AI. By the way, I don't know how it slipped into all this, but that's what it was about. The future of AI and human interaction, concerns about superintelligence and AI, the role of Team Human and how we can look after each other with this whole Team Human, because that's what our organization is about, and how to encourage critical engagement with AI to make sure that people can have a balanced interaction with it and understanding how these things might be used even in operations, intelligence operations. If you think I'm joking, just do be advised that one of the vice directors of the NSA um, is actually on the board of directors at AI, so it's not as if there isn't intelligence concerns around the area of both psychological and cyber attack and cyber defense issues around this topic. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the webinar today. And if you weren't able to make it, we would certainly like to see you joining our members area. Just click the link in the description below if you're out in the internet land, and you can join and participate in these trainings that we have in a variety of different training courses. AI for All. You can join Q Star for free, which is our update which goes on, it basically talks about what's going on in the world of AI. And of course, our SEO and answer engine optimization experts, we teach you how to rank and do review management for businesses using artificial intelligence and AI as a great home cottage business. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.